Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Spectrum how to change my number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently, Spectrum doesn't allow you to change your phone number directly through the Spectrum app or website. The number change must be requested via customer service, either through a call or chat support. You can call the Spectrum service number, that is 1-800-892-4357, and then follow the prompts to speak with a customer service representative. Then request a number change and they will help you with the process, and then you can verify your account information. And then once all that's done, changing your phone number may come with a fee depending on your plan or service type. Be sure to update any services or contacts linked to your old number after the change. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.